Yes, student. One more new content. This is equilibrium constant, that is Kc, from Nernst equation. That is, with the help of Nernst equation, how can we get the value of Kc, or what is the relationship between Kc and Nernst equation? Student, you know, let's take example of radial cell. Radial cell, what? Zn copper system. That is, which we have already discussed, this electrochemical cell. Student, you know that when in a two vessel, okay, say zinc rod is dipped in zinc sulfate solution, and in another vessel the copper rod is dipped in copper sulfate solution. This copper sulfate solution. Okay. Now what? When the salt bridge is applied and these two electrodes are connected through electric through a meter, then what? We observe that now the reaction gets start. The zinc from the electrode goes to becomes what? Zn2 cation and goes to the aqueous solution, while the electron releases here and it travels from outer circuit. Here the copper 2 cation which is already present in the solution is getting converted into copper solid, and the reaction getting proceed when the salt bridge is applied. Now the concentration of sulfate ion decreases here. It is due to increase in Zn2 cation, while here the concentration of sulfate ion increasing. This is due to decrease in the concentration of copper 2 cation, because the copper 2 cation is getting converted into copper solid. That means what? There is imbalance of ions. Therefore, to balance ion, sulfate ions travels through the salt bridge and goes to the zinc sulfate vessel, solution having vessel. Are you getting? Now, whether the reaction will continue for longer period of time? No. Actually, this process will continue. This process will continue till electrode potential in two vessels becomes what? Equal. Now reaction will stop. And cell will attain equilibrium. Cell will attain what? Equilibrium. Okay. That is what? Zn solid plus Cu2 cation is getting converted into Zn2 cation plus Cu solid, and the equilibrium is attained. At this stage, E cell, that is what? No flow of current, therefore E cell become 0. Hence, so here Kc is equal to what? The Kc is equal to Zn2 cation divided by Cu2 cation. Okay. Now applying Nernst equation, what? This is E cell is equal to E standard cell minus RT upon NF login what? Zn2 cation upon Cu2 cation. Getting? Now student, if you convert it, the E cell value, what is the E cell value? This is what? 0 minus E standard cell minus, if you convert log n into natural log 10, then becomes 2.303 into R into T upon NF, and now this become log, and besides of Zn2 cation and Cu2 cation, you can simply write what? Log Kc. Otherwise, you can write here to find E standard cell, So E standard cell is equal to the now the point minus sign will become plus sign. Therefore, when you place the values of all these things, you will get what? 0.059 divided by, in place of n, you place what? N, because it is remains unsolved. Or you can also write here n is equal to what? 2. In case of what? This system. Okay, you can place n value what? 2. And now this is what? Log AC. So when you will, there is a relationship between this one. That's it.